I hear that all the time. Should I have blown? Should I not have blown? And there's no one right answer, because certainly I've encountered cases where a client blowing made a tremendously positive difference in the outcome of their case. And at the same time, I've also had cases where somebody who's chosen to blow probably hurt themselves dramatically. So there is no one right answer to that. What I can tell you is this: if you don't blow and they're able to prove the DUI beyond a reasonable doubt, then you're looking at possibly enhanced penalties, depending on your history. So understand that. That could make a very big difference. Again, by the time you're coming to a lawyer, it's kind of too late in one sense, but if you're ever in a situation where you're not sure if you're impaired or not, it's a tough question. You really have to think about your own circumstances of what happened that evening. Do you think you're impaired? How much have you had to drink? Your own, dynamics. And just understand that if you don't blow, you're looking at possibly more penalties if you did blow. However, they still have to prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt that you were impaired by alcohol, drugs, or a combination of both within 2 hours of driving a motor vehicle. I think that, again, it all depends on the particular facts of your case. I have had cases where I think that people not blowing have made the cases much better for us, and we have received the benefit of reductions to less serious offenses as a result. Again, it all depends on the entire situation and what happened. Like I said earlier, there are cases where I think if somebody hadn't, they chose to blow, it made their case a lot better than what it was, also. So, there is no one right answer. It's situational, and it really depends on a number of factors. But the thing you've got to understand is if you don't blow and they're able to prove it, you are looking at a longer license suspension, and you may be looking at a longer mandatory minimum jail sentence. Now, at the same time, if you don't blow, they don't have a breath test reading. So then what it comes down to is the observations of the officer or officers or even other witnesses at the time of the incident, which could have a dramatic impact on the results of the case.